Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Amni Haider Rizvi and welcome to my channel Tech Unax. So in this video I'm going to show how to make your own maps application with Google Maps. So let's get started. Go to creator.codura.io, the first link in description. Give the project a name, maps project. App name will be maps. Package name will be com.maps.app. Finish. We just have to do a simple thing, and that's over. A simple thing. Screen one, scroll down, title visible, go. Title visible, make this box unchecked. Now click on search. Just type Google and drag and drop the Google Maps here. Hide fill parent. Let's do it automatic. So now the user can can use your maps without installing the real Google Maps application. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment my channel. Bye bye.